Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Naya Feet, and I'm here with another video on how I take out these Boss new locks. I have had these locks in for about 2.5 weeks. It'll be exactly 3 weeks this Friday, but I do not want to keep them in because I'm ready to wash my head. I hate when I can't wash my hair, and I need to wash my head. I'm sorry. I'm not keeping these in any longer, but they were very cute. It's just time to move on to a different style. Currently they look okay. I have a little bit of dandruff here, but they look alright. I mean, my edges is still laying properly and I can still slick them down. I did try to wash my hair over the weekend, but when I washed my hair, it was good for like a day or two, and then my hair was like, no, that was a fake wash. You need to really wash your hair. So I'm gonna take these out. Generally what I do is I just take one, I'll cut it in half, and I do try to do a little above a half because I know where my hair stops. My hair is about right here, so I don't want to cut my hair. So it's really important that you only cut about half the full lock. And then you try to unravel it like that. You could also just feel for where your braid is at the top. If it's getting loose, you can usually feel the separation of the braid and the actual hair. So just, you can slide your braid out and do it that way. But I'm gonna show you how I take these out. I'm not gonna do the whole thing on camera. I'm just gonna do a few so you can see what it looks like. And then after I take this out, I'm going to scrub, and I do mean scrub my scalp, deep condition, all that good stuff. So what I do when I'm trying to take out my faux locks is I take a couple pieces and I simply just cut them in half. So I cut them in half to where I have at least half of. After I take off, a few, again, I've cut these about here. Maybe I should do a long bob and see what we get. Just kidding. When I was a kid, because my mom had twins. I'm a twin, and so my mom didn't want to be doing our hair all the time up until the time we were in school. Mind you, she still did it here and there, but when I was in elementary school, she showed me how to do a ponytail, and I did a ponytail. I just see kids nowadays and they don't know how to do their hair. They barely know how to put their hair in a bun. And I'm just like, my mom taught me that when I was in elementary school. It's like, what are y'all doing to these kids nowadays? Teach them how to do ponytails. It's not that hard. So I'm just going through and cutting off all the excess hair that I know I don't need. But I know hate my hair. My hair comes to my collarbone, so. After I cut the hair, I just start picking pieces that I want to take out. So I'm going to do this one first. And the reason why I took out I cut it first is to relieve some of the weight. This hair is lightweight, more lightweight than any of the hair that I've ever had. It still kind of weighs on you a little bit. So what I'm doing right now is I am taking out my braid. My braid was inside of the faux lock, and I literally just went to the top where it was loose and I pulled it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start taking it out. I have a mirror right here. And as you can see, like, this was really in there. Like, it's still, you know, it's still attached pretty well. It looks like it got a little loose, like right here, but it still looks relatively natural, which is what I really like. That although I need to, you know, wash my hair, it looks natural. And then once you unbraid it, this slips right out. So I have my unbraided section, and then I have this piece that is out my head. Just finished my hair. So I just finished my hair. I am about to wash my hair, but basically I wanted to close out this video. It's really easy to take out the faux locks. It just takes a minute to do, because when you have the individuals in, it definitely takes longer than just cutting them out of crocheted locks. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. Thank you all for watching this. I just wanted to really show how I take it out. It does take a little bit longer than I would expected it to, but that's all right. But thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave the comments. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to go wash my hair since it is really dirty, but I just have it in a bun right now. So I'm going to go wash my hair, and I will see you all in my next video.